Hello, good morning, everyone. This is a follow-up to our last week video about the price of raw cashew nut as well as cashew kernel, processed cashew for those who don't know. Um, there was a publication of Vinacas newsletter yesterday on the 29th of April 2024, which breaks down about the pricing for raw cashew nuts as well as processed cashew. So what we've noticed is that the pricing confirm what we mentioned last week. Last week we said that overall the trend is on the price is on the rise. There's a steep increase of pricing for raw cashew nut as well as processed cashew. Okay, I'm going to run through some of the pricing we've seen or we are seeing from West Africa. Okay, if you take Ivory Coast for example, for Alton 50, nut count 175, the price is between 1,285 and 1,300. Okay, in Ghana, we Alton 47, nut count 200, the price is between 1,080, 1,095. Guinea, I suppose that's Guinea Conakry, Alton 49, for nut counter 220, the price is 1,160 to 1,175. And for the May shipment from Togo, Alton 47, nut count 190, the price is between 1,095 to 1,110. And finally, from Nigeria, for a June shipment, for Alton 46, nut count 200, the price is between 1,055 and 1,070. So as you can see, overall, there's a sharp increase of pricing, okay? And that's simply due to the demand. As I mentioned last week, the production has been low in different production country, whether it's Cambodia or Vietnam itself, the production has been low. Let me read out what Vinacas said. They said many raw cashew traders have reported that the amount of raw cashew arriving is very small. The output at Ivory Coast is about 30% short. Okay. He also said that the second and third crop of Cambodia and Vietnam may be lower. Okay, so with that low production, the demand will be higher, and that will push the price to go up. So it confirmed what we mentioned 2 weeks ago. Now let's say a few words about the kernel markets. Okay, there's an increase, which is also good news, of the kernel market. Not as much as with the raw cashew nuts, but there's also an increase, which is good news for the industry. Look at the 𝗪𝗧𝗔𝗬, the most popular grades. For the factory with BRC and 𝗬𝗧𝗦, the price will be between 2.75 to $2.8 per pound. Factory with BRC certification will be between 2.65 and 2.75. And the one with 𝗪𝗧𝗔𝗬, the price is between 2.55 and $2.65 per pound. So as you can see, there's a sharp increase also with the processed cashew, which is great news for the industry, and that's what we want. I know there's no parity between the increase with raw cashew nuts with the processed cashew, but at least there is a slight increase. There's no decrease that we observe with the past few years. The challenge this year is the production. Okay, traditional production country like Ivory Coast, Ghana, Benin, all those countries seems to have a lower production this year, and that might impact the pricing. Okay,